Hello guys, today I am coming up with my new video on Rubik's Cube 3x3. Today I will show you that how to join a broken Rubik's Cube into a perfect cube. I will dismantle it, disarrange it. Oh my gosh, as you can see that I have broken my Rubik's Cube in speed cubing. There is a formula to rejoin it again, that we will have to arrange the cube pieces one by one in the colorful pattern. It should look as it has been made. The cube has been made fully. First of all, we will make all pieces out like this. Now we would first separate the edge pieces, which has two colors. I forgot to tell you that this is the main gears of the cube. Now I'll separate the edge pieces. Like this. You can start with whatever color you want, but I will start with white, as you can see. I will again separate the white edge pieces from the other edge pieces. And now I'll tell you again guys that edge pieces are those pieces which have two colors, like this, which has color of orange and white. We will fix it with orange and white like this, aligned. Now we will do it with red as this. Now turn off green. It seems to be perfect. We are good, perfect. Now only one edge piece left of white, which is blue. We will have to be very careful while joining so that other pieces should not pop out. Now I will start with blue and separate the blue edge pieces. Now blue with red. We will have to give a firm grip to the white edge pieces so that they should not come out. Like this. I've aligned red with blue. And this is blue with yellow. And now turn off blue and orange. Yes, this is how we will do it. Now with red, like this. Red with yellow. And now turn off green and red. This edge piece. Now first we will align very smoothly and firmly like this. And now turn off green. Only green left. This is the last edge piece, I suppose. So now I will move with this edge pieces. I will start with white, this color. We will separate the corner pieces first of white, like this. I will tell you that corner pieces are those pieces which have 3 colors. Like this is the corner piece of white, which has colors of green and red, as you can see. So now I'll fix it with appropriate colors. This. If you have a twistable cube, then it's very easy to join the edge pieces. But if you don't have, so do not worry, relax, and I will also show you how to do it. In twistable edge pieces, you can align wherever place you can want and then twist it to the appropriate place. That now I will show you how to join a non-twistable corner piece cube like this. We will align the like this. We will align the same way we did it, but we will change the grip and make it to the white like this. I will show you again. We will put on the top white and then fix it. Only 2-3 center pieces left now. I suppose 4. So you see that. Oops, I got the wrong edge piece. Sorry, corner piece. Oh my gosh, this is the last. And as you can see, your cube is fully prepared and it is ready to be worked, as you can see. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and our videos. Thank you guys.